Hey there, let's turn this into this. I was sent over this trellis to assemble and put together and share with you guys. So let's take a look at it. Assembly was easy and did take only about 15 minutes with this one tip that I want to share with you. So here's everything that comes with it. Everything is clearly labeled and there are directions provided, but they do not have any words on them. It is simply a diagram. This also comes with a bag of clips, which is really nice for training those climbing vines to go up the trellis once it's assembled. As you can see by the metal poles, they are relatively heavy duty. The ring does have a little bit of give to it, but the poles were not easily bent, and once everything's together, it's nice and sturdy. For assembly, each pipe connects to the other one, line up the holes, and then you just have to put a screw through that, as well as through the ring, and tighten everything down. This is where the trick comes in. You are most likely gonna wanna have some kind of wrench and Phillips screwdriver handy. I use the wrench to hold the nut in place while using the screwdriver to tighten everything down. That definitely made assembly faster and easier, and those tools were not provided in the box, and it doesn't say to use these in the directions. For the top of the trellis, I simply lined up all the holes on the curved pieces, inserted the bolt, and then screwed down the decorative piece at the top. The four bottom poles of the trellis have these nice sharp edges that go easily into the ground, so no digging is needed to get in the ground securely. With it all together, this is just over 6 feet tall. It's got a good round shape to it. I would even say if you wanted to, you could definitely try things like cucumbers and possibly even a tomato plant through here. This is going to be great for clematis and other vining plants that you want to kind of train and shape a little bit better. Overall, decent quality. I wish the instructions were just a little bit better, but that screwdriver and wrench definitely helped making it super simple. Guys, if you are looking for a new addition to your garden with this trellis, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.